Hello, and welcome to the demo video for the first release of iTrace-Visualize. In this video, I will cover the process of using iTrace-Visualize to visualize data that was gathered through the use of the iTrace infrastructure. This demo assumes that you have collected data from an eye tracking session using iTrace Core and have processed the data through iTrace Toolkit in the post-processing step. It also assumes that you have a screen recording of the eye tracking session that was all done through the iTrace infrastructure. For more information on how to use iTrace, please check out our YouTube channel or the playlist in the description. To start, launch the iTrace-Visualize Python script. You will be greeted with a window with two large white fields and a lot of small options. First, click the Select Database button and select the iTrace Toolkit database that you wish to use. After selecting the file, a list of sessions within the database will appear in the Sessions box. Clicking on a session within the list will cause the Fixation Runs box to be filled with each fixation run that was performed on the data during post-processing. For this demo, I'll be selecting visualization number 2 and the IDT fixation run. After selecting which session to display, options can be tweaked. On the left are color options that are provided, allowing a researcher to change the color of the markup to any desired value. On the right, other options are provided. The two checkboxes allow the researcher to enable or disable both line highlighting and drawing saccades on the video. The small number boxes allow the user to change the default sizes of gazes and fixations. They also allow you to change the amount that the video is stretched through interpolation and the number of seconds in the fade delay. For this demo, we will be using the default settings. After changing the settings, the last step is to select the recording of the session. Click Select Video and navigate to where your video is stored. iTrace-Visualize will automatically check the length of the video against the session length you have chosen to ensure that they match. After all the data has been loaded and the settings have been set, click the Start Visualization button and select where you want to save your file. The video can take a while to process, especially if the line highlighting feature is enabled. We will cut back to when the video is done processing. The video has just finished processing, so we can now open it. The generated video is now displaying the eye movement information that was gathered during the session in real time with the state of the IDE that the user was using. When a fixation, displayed in red, is found within the bounding box of a source code line, the line will be highlighted blue. The light blue dots represent gazes that were recorded during the session. For more information on the iTrace infrastructure and its other tools, please check the description or our other videos in our channel.